Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2018 BMW X3 xDrive premium package in the dark graphite metallic finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low mileage, local Alberta car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, light controls, driver seat memory seating, power liftgate, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, a 10.2-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, intelligent safety, which includes the cross-traffic alert, blind spot detection, frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, and driver attention control, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, sport, comfort, and eco driving modes, park assist sensor switch, electronic parking brake, panoramic sunroof, black interior in great shape, rear climate controls, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.